She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jess and today we are doing a wash day routine. I haven't filmed one in a very long time and my hair desperately needs a good wash. I haven't washed my hair in 64 days. 64 days, guys. I've been over my hair, to be honest, and I've been wearing wigs and having it tucked away so I don't have to deal with it. But my hair desperately needs a good wash and some moisture. I look like I got in Meek Mill braids, to be honest.
You probably know my name, Meek Millie.
It's been too long and I've been putting it off for too long, and it's finally time to get my hair together. I am not looking forward to this because wash days always are like a day's process, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, just hit the subscribe button. It's free, it won't hurt. I'm not asking for a kidney, I'm just asking for a subscribe. That's it. And maybe a like, but not a kidney. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and let's just get right into the video. All right, so I finally took my hair out and I'm not gonna lie, it took me about over an hour to take all of my braids out. So yeah, it took me quite a while. As you can see, my hair is growing really nicely. I just wish that my hair could look like this after I washed it, but shrinkage is what it is. I'm gonna get in close so you guys can just see the before I wash my hair. Oh, this is the before. Yeah, very very much giving me dirt. Very much giving me, you need to wash your hair. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is shampoo our hair, and I am going to be using the Carol's Daughter shampoo, and then we are going to be putting a mask on our hair, and then we are going to end it off with some deep conditioning with some Shea Moisture conditioner, but I'm actually kind of running out, so I'm going to also use my Aussie, I hope I'm saying it right, Aussie conditioner and deep condition for about roughly 2 to 3 or 4 hours, because I just want my hair to get some moisture because it's been deprived of moisture for a very long time. So we have a lot to do, so let's just get right to it. So I don't know about you guys, but I am someone that was raised on washing their hair in the kitchen sink. I don't like washing my hair in the shower because curls just be everywhere and all over the shower. Ain't got time for that, okay? You guys are just going to watch a snippet of me washing my hair, and then I'll come back and check it.
Down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? You came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold rain. No, don't hold no rain.
So I finished shampooing my hair. I actually shampooed my hair twice. Yeah, it needed it. This is how much hair came out from just shampooing. Not really a lot. Now, mind you, I didn't detangle. That was just from me just washing my hair and, like, you know, the strands come out. So now we're going to put the mask on our hair. Yeah, let's get the ball rolling. So this is the clay mask, and I just put apple cider vinegar, mixed it with it. So I'm just gonna go right at it, no particular way, no particular order, and I don't actually think I even have enough to do my whole head.
But I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? You came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan.
I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we are going to be detangling and conditioning our hair. I'll be back in about 20 to 30 minutes. I have washed out the clay mask, and I'm just gonna get in close so you guys can see how my curl pattern is restored. So now I am about to condition my hair.
Yeah, you know, but the one time I was late for a big opportunity, you're 55, talking about, oh, last bitch, are you tired? Then get salad dressing, and there was like 6 people in the section. And then I went back to my sister, I said, oh, I'm gonna wait a second to get my dressing, girl. The block kind of hot. That's all I said. My sister starts dying, like, hurt you? Or, you know, we were the only black people in the store, the 3 of us. So I don't know if it was like, she don't think I belong here, or I don't know what, I don't know. I say all the time, I don't care how long you've been around if the behavior doesn't feel good. You know, it's a fun fact. Consider it a fun fact. It means nothing to me when you tell people, I've known her for 11 years. It means nothing, because tomorrow, I could not know a thing about you. You know what I'm saying? You are just sharing a fun fact. Thank you for that. Now stay on your toes.
All right, so all of the conditioner is in my hair. I just want to show you guys how much came out as I was detangling. So this is how much hair that came out as I was detangling my hair. This is my hair. So I am going to leave this on for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back and talk. All right, so it's been about 2.5 hours, and I just finished rinsing out the conditioner. Honestly, I was like, I don't feel like waiting 30 more minutes because I said I was gonna leave it in for about 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 hours. 2.5 is good to me. So this is how we're looking, and I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you can see how much shrinkage I have. This is what beautiful 4C hair looks like.
You're just a fan. You don't hold rank. Don't hold no rank. You seem weak.
Lip check. Really quickly, lip check. How are we looking? So off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my hair. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this wash day routine, and make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Last week, tell me where have you been?